Welcome to your brand new Nuvo Drop storage. How would you like this on your desk? Let's face it, when we've got our Nuvo Drops, it's nice to have them all together so that we've got easy reach. We can put this back up on the shelf, or we can bring it to our desk as well. Now what you'll notice, it stores your bottles upside down. Perfect, yeah, so all your product is ready for use. Now this will take all your Nuvo Drops. If you are using the Dream Drops will only fit in the front, simply because of their height, okay? They won't fit in the back row, but they will fit in the front row. But you can see we've got the vintage drops in there. I've got the stone drops in there as well, because it's been designed so the nozzle goes through that little hole, but yet you've got the little top on there, so you can put them away on the shelves with no problem at all. But I have to say, oh, that sounded all right. I have to say, this is a brilliant storage solution for all your Nuvo Drops. Put them in colour codes on your shelves. They look amazing.